The future is calling. Can you hear the sound? A new generation where freedom is found. Beyond every border, beyond every chain, POLO-X is rising. Everyone will gain. Welcome to a future powered by the chain, built on trust and freedom, breaking every chain. Not controlled by power, not by just a few. Every voice is counted, every dream comes true. DAO is our foundation, community leads the way. Smart contracts keep the promise every single day. No hidden manipulation, no centralized control. Together we are building one unstoppable goal. Step into tomorrow, leave the past behind. Blockchain lights the pathway for every heart and mind. POLO-X, we rise together high, building dreams forever, reaching for the sky. PLX, the future in our hands, one global community united across the lands. POLO-X, believe in what we build, powered by the people, every vision fulfilled. Ownership is renounced, transparency is real. Every block recorded, every action sealed. B-Scan can show you everything that's done. Open verification visible to everyone. Fixed supply is waiting, only 200 million strong. Built for generations, built to last lifelong. Burning every journey, reducing every day, creating stronger value along the future way. 10% is burning every selling round. Tokens disappear, never to be found. Sending to the null address, gone forevermore. Scarcity keeps growing, opening every door. We rise together high, building dreams forever, reaching for the sky. PLX, the future in our hands, one global community united across the lands. POLO-X, POLO-X, united across the lands. Public sale begins it, liquidity will grow. Community rewards help the future flow. Marketing expanding, DAO treasury stands, building stronger ecosystems across our global lands. Roadmap show tomorrow, every growing phase. Early dreams becoming worldwide, brighter days. From adoption onward, expansion leads the way. Utility is growing more and more each day. Crypto debit card, ready for tomorrow. Simple digital payments without fear or sorrow. Sports and gaming ecosystem powered by PLX, building real utilities, taking the step next. Web3 is the gateway, wallets open wide. Everyone is welcome, come and join the ride. Hold your PLX proud to stake and let it grow. Every little journey helps tomorrow grow. Basic, standard, premium, elite, for amazing packages, making dreams complete. Share the opportunity, building strong relationships, growing one community. Referral keeps expanding, one connection grows. Passive income follows as your network flows. 20 levels rising, leadership begins, helping one another, everybody wins. 50-50 balance, strong legs side by side, working all together.